Welcome to our channel. While Roblox doesn't offer a simple delete button, you can effectively deactivate your account by following these important steps. Step 1. Understand that Roblox does not allow permanent account deletion through their website, but you can contact support to request account closure. Step 2. Log into your Roblox account and navigate to the settings page by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. Step 3. Remove all personal information from your account, including your email address, phone number, and any other identifiable data in the account info section. Step 4. Change your password to a random string of characters that you won't remember, effectively locking yourself out of the account permanently. Step 5. Spend any remaining Robux in your account, or understand that these virtual currency amounts will be lost once the account is inaccessible. Step 6. Visit the Roblox support page and submit a request to delete your account, explaining your reasons and confirming your identity as the account owner. Step 7. Check your email for responses from Roblox support and follow any additional verification steps they require to process your deletion request. Step 8. Wait for confirmation that your account has been scheduled for deletion, which may take several weeks to process completely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.